sir. Yes, sir. So I guess I can start with just pulling the hot rod out, setting it over to one side out of the way. Let's see. Hey, little birdie. Might cut the grass today too. I thought about that. Hadn't decided, but I might. Might be a good day for it. So yesterday I ordered rings from Jegs and they got here today. That's pretty darn quick. I'm guessing this is going to be my timing chain here. These rings, the other rings I got were 4-inch bore. These are 3.875, I believe is the correct size, and I am gonna show you. Here's a ring here. I'm gonna turn it the way it goes here, and we get it level down in there, and see that gap right there? I believe I read where that should be 4 thousandths. That's what I wanted, not those others that overlapped the other day. One thing I hadn't figured out yet is which is the top ring and which is the second ring. One ring is like chrome looking on the edge, and one is black on the edge, and they all have a little white marker. So, and they have a little dot right here to tell me which side is the top. I think they both have that same dot. Yeah, that one has one too. I mean, I can see it. So basically all I gotta do is figure out which one of these is the top ring and which one is the secondary ring, and I'll have to spend a little time with my paperwork here to sort that out, but I can. They look like the right rings. Let's take one of these ones over here, and we'll clean it up a little bit, and we'll put it next to that one there. This is the top ring that came out of the motor. This is the only ring that didn't break of the compression rings. So, and all I'm going to do here is just bring this out, put these two side by side just to make sure that they are the same size and width and everything, and they are. They look pretty perfect. Pretty perfect. So like I said, I just need to go and determine which one is the top and which one is the next one. So I went and checked that other box that I got. and it was not the timing chain, it was something else. So I'm still waiting on timing chain. But I can put my cam in, and I can put my pistons in. I can put my cam, my crank, my pistons, and everything in today. And then put the timing chain on when it gets here. So this stuff I can do. So I'll put y'all away for a minute and I'll be right back.